Number 12, I'm solving the system of equations using the graphing method. So I want to graph these both on the calculator and then use the intersection command to find the intersection point. But before I can graph them on the calculator, I need to solve for y in both of these equations. So the top equation, I want to add x to both sides. And we get 3y is equal to x plus 10. Then I want to divide by 3. So y is equal to 1/3 x plus 10/3. In my second equation, I want to subtract 2x, and we get 8y is equal to negative 2x minus 6. Then I want to divide everything by 8. So we get y is equal to negative 2/8 x minus 6 over 8. But those fractions can be reduced to negative 1 over 4 and negative 3 over 4. So I have my two lines. So I want to type those in to my y equals in my y1 and y2. Then if I press graph, this is what my graph looks like. So then I want to press second calc or second trace to get to the calc menu. And I want to choose number 5, which is the intersection command. And again, I need to press enter 3 times. So I need to declare my first line and press enter. Then I need to declare my second line and press enter. So I have my two lines declared. Then I need to make a guess and press enter. And that is my intersection point, negative 7 and 1. So again, press enter 3 times after choosing the intersection command. So it's select the first line, select the second line, and then make a guess. Okay, so my intersection point was at negative 7, 1. And your graph doesn't need to be perfect. The line crosses at 10/3, which is 3.3 repeating. So that's about like right here. And then negative 3/4 is negative 0.75, which is about right here. So as long as your intersection point is accurate, that's the important thing. As long as your graph is close, it'll be okay. And again, our intersection point, so our final answer is negative 7, 1.